Hey everyone, today we are going to look at differentiation. The topic under differentiation is product rule. What do I call it? Product rule. That's the topic we are going to look under differentiation. Yes, we have some examples of questions here from Jamb 2013 and one other functions or functions. So we are going to look at these two questions and solve it for the benefit of those in secondary school, writing jams, and other students alike. So I would like you to join me as we forge ahead. Without much ado, product rule, from the name product, it means multiplications. When you have two functions of this nature that are multiplying each other, then we refer to it as product rule. Then you know that the rule of differentiation you have to apply is product rule. You can see s is a function and sin s is another function. So you can see they are multiplying. S is multiplying sin s. So it's product rule. Good. So how do we go about it? The first thing is for you to know the formula of product rule, which is dy all over ds equals to u dv ds plus v du dx. If you know that formula, then life is very easy. Yes, we go ahead. Now, let's go to the solution. Now, the first thing is you look at this function x sin x. We have to differentiate it with respect to the x. So you try to represent each of the function with the letter u and v. For example, you say let u be equals to x. Then you differentiate u with respect to x. Therefore, the u, the x will now be what? 1. If you differentiate the u ds, the answer you have is 1. Any questions? Yes. Then we go on. Then v, you represent it with what? Sin x. You let v be equals to sin x. Then you differentiate the v with respect to the x. So you have the v, the x. When you differentiate sin, you have cos x. That is the rule of differentiation. Differentiation of sin x gives you cos x. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment or your question in the comment section below. Yes, go ahead. Now, we have almost done. The next thing is just to substitute all these values in our formula. We know that our formula says dy all over dx equals to what? U, which is our u. Our u is represented by x. U dv dx, then multiplied by what? Cos x plus v, which is our sin x, multiplied by what? Du dx, which is what? Multiplied by 1. That's all. As ABC, as simple as ABC. So therefore, our dy dx equals to x cos x plus sin x. When one multiplies sin x, it becomes sin x. That is it. That is the answer. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'm ready to explain it as you like. Now, so lest I forget, if you derive any joy or any pleasure, any interest in this formula, in this tutorial, you can send me a comment section. In this comment section, please give me a thumbnail and share this video so that other students can benefit from this value. If you have value, then feel free to share my video and send me a thumbnail. So we move to the second example. So as a Jamb student, if you have this, you are good to go. Every year, question on differentiation must come out. So if you have any question bothering you on any topic in mathematics, ask me in the question sheet section. I will be free to answer all your questions. Now, the second question is, now if you look at the first question we answer is, we call it trigonometric function. This is function of the function in trigonometry. Now let's look at algebraic function. So that because question can come in any dimension. So now we want to differentiate this. So first thing you do is you write your formula dy all over dx equals to what? U dv dx plus v du dx. Finish. Then you represent what? U equals to what? Let's say U is this and v is this. So our U is 3x minus 2. So you quickly differentiate the U with respect to s. The U dx will be what? If you differentiate 3x minus 2, it gives you 3. If you differentiate 3x, it gives you 3. If you differentiate the constant, it's 1. It's 0 rather. So now, 3 is our du dx. Then we move to the next part of the question. The v, let's say v, we say v is equal to 3x plus, x squared plus 3. Is that not? V equals to x squared plus 3. Now our dv dx will be what? Who can tell me? If you differentiate x squared, you will have what? 2x. And if you differentiate a constant, it gives you nothing. 1, 0. Now, you have our v, we have our dv dx, we have u, we have u, that's all. So therefore, our dy dx now becomes u, which is 3x minus 2, multiplied by what? Dv dx, which is 2x, plus v, our v is what? S squared plus 3, multiplied by what? Du dx, our du dx is 3. If you are confused about anything, ask me your question in the comment section. I will be ready to answer any of your questions for free. Yes, therefore our dy dx equals to what? We can mock up these functions and make it more simpler. If you use these 2s to multiply everything in the bracket, it becomes 6x squared minus 4x. Then plus this 3 multiply this, it becomes 3x squared plus 9. Then when you collect like terms, 6x squared plus 3x squared, that becomes 9x squared. Then minus 4x has no similar function, then you bring it down. Then plus 9. That is our final answer. Do you understand? Yes. Once again, I remain Taufik Ajewande Ability, an online mathematical coach. I help students to awaken the mathematical potential in them and inspire them for success. So if you want more of this, please feel free to click to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbnail and ask your questions or any comment you feel about this video.